Good morning, dear students. Already we discussed natural numbers number line, whole numbers number line, integers number line, and also last class we discussed rational numbers number line. Okay. Today we will discuss locating irrational numbers on the number line. Locating irrational numbers, irrational numbers, locating irrational numbers on the number line, on the number line. Already we discussed irrational numbers means these are the numbers. Irrational numbers means these are the numbers, the symbol denoted by Q dash or S, the symbol denoted by irrational numbers Q dash or S. Okay, irrational numbers are non-terminating, non-recurring. Irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-recurring. Okay, say for example we will take any one number 2.1471210, like that. The values are coming, but any value is not repeating. These are the numbers of irrational numbers. These are the irrational numbers. Okay, we will see one is the number neither prime nor composite. One is the number neither prime nor composite. For example, say here 2, 3, 5, 7, like that. So many numbers are there. These are prime numbers. Why we are saying prime numbers for them? These numbers are, they have only two factors. They have only two factors. Other than 2, there is no factors. For example, 2 factors are 1 2 the 2, 2 1 the 2, 1 and itself are the factors of these numbers. Like this, not only these numbers, remaining numbers also possible. These numbers we should show in square root. These are irrational numbers. These are irrational numbers. For example, root 2 is an irrational number. Root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, root 2 is equal to 1.4142 and so on. Root 2 value we should show locating on the number line. Okay, see, we will take some values. Okay, see, like that number line. First of all, we are taking number line. On the number line, we know right side values are positive values, left side values are negative values. Left side values are negative values. 0 near, here 0 near, we are taking, here 0 to, we are starting 0 to right side 1 unit. Why? Because 1 unit means right side 1 unit, and like this 1 unit we are taking means 1 unit length. Here 1 unit, here also 1 unit taking means join these two, we will get right angle triangle. We will get right angle triangle. Okay, see here O2, here A, here B, AOB, AOB we are taking as a right angle triangle. Here how much is their length? 1 centimeters. 1 centimeters. Here to 1 centimeter. Here to 2 centimeters. Here to 3 centimeters. On the left side negative values minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like that will be. Now this is the value according to Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, see this is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Here angle A near right angle will be. Right angle will be. So this is OB. OB or BO is a, see, hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. 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 Okay. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras told like this. Diagonal Pythagoras. So here OB square is equal to OB square is equal to OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. OA square plus AB square. OA square plus AB square. According to Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Here hypotenuse is OB. OB square is equal to side square plus side square. OA square plus AB square. OB value we don't know. So OB square is equal to OA value 1. 1 square. 1 square plus AB value also 1 only. 1 square. 1 1 jar 1. 1 1 jar 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So OB square is equal to 2. OB is equal to square that side going means square root will be. Square that side going means square root will be. OB is equal to 2. So it is possible locating on the number line. We will see. We know the value root 2 is equal to. We know the value root 2 is equal to 1.414 and so on. Root 2 value 1.414 and so on. See this value we will see, then it is also possible to locate on the number line. Possible to locate on the number line. Okay, see here how much will be this OB value, how much will be this OB value through this radius, through this values, how much will be this diagonal. With this diagonal we should draw an arc, then we will get the value. See here too we are taking one arc we will draw, then it is possible to get the arc, this value, this is the value 1.414, this is the value root 2 value, this is the value root 2 value. Root 2 means 1.414, root 2 value 1.414. Okay, like that only it is possible to show remaining values also, root 3, root 4, root 5, these are all the values are possible. Okay, in between two rational numbers, we told in between two rational numbers, how many rational numbers are possible? so many rational numbers are possible. In between two rational numbers, so many rational numbers are possible. Like that only, in between two irrational numbers, so many numbers are possible. For example, root 2 value, root 2 is equal to root 2 value 1.4142 and so on. In between root 2 and root 3, root 3 is equal to 1.7321, okay, and so on. In between root 2 is a irrational number. Root 2 is a irrational number. Root 2 is a irrational number. Root 3 is a irrational number. Root 2 is equal to 1.4142 and so on. Root 3 is equal to 1.7321 and so on. In between these two values, so many numbers are possible. For example, 1.517621 and so on. So not only that number, so many numbers are possible. 1.712135 and so on. So like that, in between root 2 and root 3, so many numbers are possible. So in between two rational numbers so many numbers are possible. Like that only, in between two irrational numbers, so many numbers are possible. Okay, irrational numbers, so many are possible. Now only we took here 1 centimeter, here 1 centimeter, taking means we will get root 2 value. Okay, root 2 value. Like that only, irrational numbers, remaining numbers also possible. This is the value of root 2. This is the value of root 2. OAB. This is the value of root 2. Like that only, here we will take one more 1 centimeter, 1 unit. 1 unit taking means so. Then we will get one more triangle. Okay, like that spiral coming. This is here, see this one also right angle triangle. This one also don't see this, here see OBC. OBC is a right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, it is possible to show OC square, diagonal square. OC square is equal to OB square plus BC square. OC square is equal to OB square plus here BC square. OB value root 2. This is OB value root 2 whole square plus BC value 1 unit, 1 square. So is equal to square root 2 cancel 2 plus 1 ja 1, 2 plus 1 3. So OC square is equal to 3 units. We want to OC is equal to square that side going is square root 3. So it is possible to locate root 3 also. And this is the value of root 3. We want to value locating on the number line. This one also possible. Okay, see this much length and draw an arc through this value. Draw an arc. It is possible to locate on the number line. Okay, see here. It is possible to locate on the number line. So less than 2, more than 1. Here 1 will be more than 1, less than 2. Now only told you root 2 is equal to 1.414. root 3 is equal to 1.732. Root 3 is equal to 1.732. Like that only we will take still more values. Then for us coming like a spiral. Here again one unit taking, again joining, here taking as D, Now in the triangle, this is senior right angle OCD. In triangle OCD, diagonal OD square is equal to OC square plus CD square. OC square plus CD square. Okay, see OC value root 3 whole square plus CD value 1 square root 2. So 3 plus 1 4. OD square is equal to 4. OD is equal to root 4 nothing but 2. So taking this OD, then it is going through 2. So like that all the irrational numbers also possible to locate on the number line. Not only these numbers, and also possible root 5, root 6, root 7, all the values are possible. We will take one more value here. This one also possible. Okay, like that, like spiral coming here, This is the value. This is root 4. This is root 4. This is root 5, like root 6, like spiral coming. So not only natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, with that it is possible to locate irrational numbers also. Okay, irrational numbers, which like we should find for irrational numbers? Irrational numbers nothing but non-terminating, non-recurring values. Are okay, irrational numbers. Okay, this class we discussed irrational numbers number line. Next topic we will discuss next class. Thank you.